Raypak heater board replacement. I am looking for a replacement Raypak heater board, and there are a few of this newer boards on eBay. Would this be plug and play, or do I need to find or make new cables to install it? Also wondering why it says propane on the bottom right. I'm using a natural gas source. Maybe a jumper would convert a board for propane use. And last questions, some boards on eBay say low NOx only. How do I know if I need a low NOx board or not?
Okay, there's three different questions there. First off, the board itself won't have anything to do with propane or natural gas. The spray orifice in the nozzle that sprays the gas out to then be ignited is what would be dealt with the natural gas versus propane. There are several types of board. There's a low NOx type of heater. That's a very specific type of heater. What I would do is go inside your heater. At some point, there's going to be a description of your heater with a serial number, and that if it says it's a low NOx heater, well, then you know you're going to need that board. If it's not, then you definitely don't want to have that board. What I would try to do is find any numbers and match them as closely as you can. As fun as it may seem to want to upgrade the board to a better upgrade operating system, in this case, it's still too low tech to try to upgrade that. We're not talking automation. We're talking the guts of a heater. In my opinion, the best thing you could do is try to find the exact board. If your board is shot for whatever reason, I would try to replace it with the same board, not try to upgrade the board into anything else.